In February 2026, the sky over Russia showed what looked like four moons at once. No, it was not a Photoshop, and no, the moon did not split apart. Was it a glitch in reality or a rare atmospheric illusion? Let's uncover the truth behind the four moons over St. Petersburg. In early February 2026, residents of St. Petersburg shared incredible photos of the night sky. The moon appeared to have bright companions, almost like there were four moons glowing at the same time. Naturally, social media exploded. Some people thought it was camera tricks, others suggest satellites or secret experiments. But many witnesses said they saw it clearly with their own eyes. So, what actually happened? First, let's clear something up. According to NASA, Earth has only one natural satellite, the Moon. And there was no unusual lunar activity that night. Its orbit and brightness were completely normal. The real explanation was not in space. It was in Earth's atmosphere. The phenomena is called a Paracelene, also known as mock moon or moon dog. The term comes from Greek meaning beside the moon, and it's part of a group of atmospheric effects known as halo phenomena. According to National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration or NOAA, halo effects happen when light passes through ice crystals in high altitude clouds. These clouds are usually cirrus or cirrostratus clouds, floating about 5 to 10 kilometers above Earth's surface. Here is how it works. High in the atmosphere, teeny ice crystals form. Most of them are flat and hexagonal, shaped like six-sided plates. As they slowly fall through the air resistance causes many of them to align horizontally. When moonlight passes through these crystals, the light bends or refracts at a specific angle. Research shows this angle is about 22 degrees. That's why mock moons usually appear as bright spots about 22 degrees to the left and right of the moon at the same height in the sky. The American Meteorological Society explains that this 22-degree angle is determined by the geometry of hexagonal ice crystals. It's a basic physics, but the result looks magical. Now here is what made the St. Petersburg event so special. Lunar halos are usually faint. Moonlight is much weaker than sunlight, about 400,000 times dimmer. So, mock moons often go unnoticed. But that night conditions were nearly perfect. It was a cold winter night. High altitude ice clouds were present, and the moon was bright, close to full phase. Scientists believe the ice crystals were slightly larger than usual and not perfectly stable. Some crystals wobbled as they fell. This caused the refracted light to stretch vertically. Instead of the small bright dots, the light appeared elongated, almost layered. To the human eye, especially in a dark winter sky, this stretching made it look like multiple moons instead of just reflection. And because the effect was symmetrical, perfectly balanced on both sides, it looked even more dramatic. But again, the moon itself never changed. Everything happened inside Earth's atmosphere. According to atmospheric optics research published in journals supported by the Royal Meteorological Society, halo phenomena provide important information about upper atmosphere conditions. The brightness and shape of mock moons can tell scientists about ice crystal size, cloud thickness, crystal orientation, temperature conditions in high altitudes. So, while this was not a new astronomical discovery, it was a rare and beautiful atmospheric event. Events like this sit at the border between astronomy and meteorology. The moon may look like the main character, but the real story is happening much closer to Earth. With modern smartphones and instant global sharing, rare sky phenomena now spread worldwide within minutes. What once might have gone unnoticed is now carefully recorded and studied. And that's actually helping scientists and sky watchers learn more. If you want to see a mock moon yourself, here is what to look for. Cold weather, high thin cirrus cloud, a bright, nearly full moon, clear skies near the horizon. While you can't predict one exactly, monitoring weather patterns increases your chances. Similar displays will happen again, not just in Russia, but anywhere the right conditions appear. Each one will look slightly different, because no two cloud layers are ever the same. So the 4 moons over St. Petersburg were not extra moons at all. They were moonlight bending through ice crystal high above Earth. A reminder that some of the most dramatic events in the night sky are created right here in our own atmosphere. And sometimes science is even more beautiful than fiction. If you enjoyed this explanation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep looking up.